Good morning students. How are you all? I think you are doing good in studies and I am also good. So today is Saturday and we are going to perform an activity for our class. So today's activity is recycling game. So we are going to do a game of recycling game, which means waste management. We have to manage our home waste in a very particular way, in a very activity game fun, or it is a fun for you and me also. So today for this activity, we know that we have so much waste at your home, at our kitchen, at our bedroom, at our drawing room, etc. So today we are going to perform an activity for that. So for today, for this activity we have plastic balls, plastic toys, plastic papers, batteries, glass, papers, so many papers we have, and a plastic tubes, plastic balls and all. So today we are going to take this waste, and for this fun activity we want some 5 different cartons, 5 different sizes boxes we have. And first is glass waste, second one for metal waste, third one for food waste, fourth one for plastic waste, and last paper waste. So we have to create 5 different carton boxes to manage our waste from our kitchen or from our home. So firstly, this box we have paper waste, so we have to put only papers, not anything in the waste box of paper. So firstly we have to put the papers in it. We have to put some waste papers, only waste papers we have to put in the paper waste. First box is dry waste, so we have to separate it in a different separate box. Next one is for plastic waste. Plastic waste, we can take any plastic toys, any plastic balls or any plastic things. We have plastic balls we have in the, and we have to put in the plastic waste box. Because it is a dry waste, so we have put it into the different separate box. Third one is food waste. So we have to put the food waste in our kitchen. We have so many things in our kitchens. You can take your help of your mother to help in this activity or food waste activity. So first we have to put waste food in the food waste box. If you have anything, you can put in the waste box of the food. Next one is metal waste. In the metal waste we can put some batteries. I have some batteries with me, so I am going to put this waste batteries into the metal waste box. In the metal waste box, last, you know that there are so many broken glasses in your kitchen, as your mothers were working over there. So you have to take anything from the glass, waste glass basically you want. And I don't have a broken glass, so I have put a complete glass, but no need to broke any glass for this activity. You have to take if you have any broken object at your home, then you have to put this. Otherwise you can take for activity you can take a complete glass as I am taking. So you have to put a glass waste in the activity. So we are going to separate this waste material in different boxes, and you have to help your mother in this activity. So always put dry and other litter in the other separate boxes, not merge them at your home. Thank you.